Hey everybody, Jackie Jean here, and I'm just gonna do a couple little edits using my autumn collection. It's that time of year where we do a lot of fall pictures, and I love this collection because it adds just that nice bit of warmth to images. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my actions, go to my autumn collection, and let's try pumpkin everything. Alright, so that's pumpkin everything. It gives it a nice bit of warmth right there before and after, and if you open up the layers again you can adjust it. So if you wanted to reduce the warmth, and then there's that optional brightness add-on where you can also adjust. Let me go ahead and try another one, and let's try espresso roast with sweetener. Press play. This is one of my favorites. I'm going to go ahead and opt on that brightness, select that, reduce my opacity just a little bit. I can mask off some of that brightness too. And here's before and after. And we can try one more. There's falling leaves. And this one has a little bit more coolness to it instead of the extreme warmth. And again, adding that brightness if you'd like. And before, there's for the pumpkin, espresso roast with sweetener, and falling leaves. Alright, so I'm going to go over to this one, and this is more of a Christmassy shot, but I thought it'd be fun. They do use this set on a lot of different images. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is we've got the falling leaves, and again, this one's more on the cool side. As you can see there. And if we wanted something a little bit more warm, again, going back to that espresso roast with sweetener, which I love so much, right there, and reducing the overall opacity to about 70%. You can see before and after there. With this one, I'm going to do something a little bit different, and we're just going to add one more action to it. Going to add a sunburst to there, so we're going to just press play. Alright, so we've got the sunburst on there, and I'm just going to bring it up. You can move it anywhere you want. Change the level of opacity there. And there we go. So that's before and after. You can see more before and afters at the link below. And thanks again.